Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on creating a simple and fun copy craft. First, you will need a few basic supplies, a cardboard box, scissors, glue, colored paper, and any decorative items you would like to use. Start by cutting the top flaps of the box to create an open surface. Next, grab your colored paper and carefully cover the exterior of the box using glue, smoothing out any wrinkles. Now, let's add some decorative elements. You can cut out shapes from more colored paper or add stickers, buttons or drawings. This is where your creativity comes into play. Don't forget to line the inside of the copy if you would like it to look polished inside as well. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated copy craft ready for any use. Thanks for watching this video.